I baited this 4.7 star quick oil technician with my wife's car to see if they'd rip me off. I wanted to see if they deserved their whopping 2,380 5-star reviews. So I took our car in and told them I needed an oil change. What I didn't tell them is that I don't trust them. I expected upsells and maybe a battery scam. I arrived at what must have been peak time. I've never done a drive-through oil change before. It was fun. This lady asked, "What are you doing today?" "Oil change. What else do you do? Injectors, emissions, belts, you want to do any of those?" "No," I laughed. "Okay, gotcha. No pressure, but we're not out of the woods yet." I was shown the waiting room, and right on cue, a girl walks in with 2 filthy air filters. These videos cost me to make them, unless they go viral. I have a goal to test cities other than Atlanta one day. If you would like to help me achieve that goal, I have a Patreon and a merch store listed in the description. Now, back to the dirty air filters. "Do you want these changed?" she asked. I wasn't sure if this was a scam, so I politely declined. She gave no pushback. I paid $86. I give that price a meh out of 10. Grease Monkey at Ponce de Leon. The air filters did need to be changed, and I would take my car there.